Work truck and soup truck and big truck and GMC truck. But do you recall the most famous work truck of all? Red number 37 had a very shiny hood, and if you ever saw it, you would really say it's good. All of the other work trucks used to laugh and call him names. They never let old 37 join in any job site games. Then one snowy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Old 37 with your lights so bright, won't you guide my crew tonight?" Then all the work trucks loved him as they shouted out with glee, "Red number 37, you'll go down in history."
Thank you for choosing Benike Construction.
Have a happy holiday.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas from all of us here at Benike Construction.
Merry Christmas!
Wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for your continued partnership in 2025.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and have a Happy New Year from our family to yours.